Guys, I want to show you how I made this headpiece. So I'm making use of my wire and a doll face satin material. So watch what I did. I placed my wire on my fabric. Meanwhile, I already covered the wire with a bias. So I hold my material together. While holding it, you use it to form the pleats. Use it to form the pleats, and then you tie. You tie. I also use a bias to tie it so that it will be very firm. And after tying, the next thing you do is to cut it off. Cut off all the excesses. So watch what I'm doing. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly do so. Like and share my videos. Okay, so I want to cut out the designs on the fascinator. I'm cutting out a circular material. So I'm using that as my measurement. You can use anything. So I cut out about 6 pieces of it. So watch how I create the design using my thread and the needle. I create this beautiful design I use on the fascinator. So follow me and watch how I did that. Thank you so much for joining me. Like and share my videos, and if you have any question, you can drop your comment. So this is how I created that design on the fascinator. Though I also attached an arrowhead feather and a brooch, but this is how I created that of the fabric design. So watch and see how I did that. So when you are done, you also use your thread and needle to attach it on your fascinator, or you can just apply gun and fix it on the fascinator. So, and then you attach it. After that, we'll use our brush to cover up that rough edge you are seeing. Meanwhile, I'm attaching the arrow feather. Watch how I attach the arrow feather on my fascinator. I love to use thread and needle to attach my designs so that it will last longer and still be firm. Watch me and see how I did that. When you are done attaching, you secure it at the back. You secure your thread and needle, and then use brush to cover up the rough edge. You also attach using the needle and thread. And that's it. That's how to create this beautiful fascinator. The only thing left is attaching the headband. So also follow me and see how I attached it. I used my UHU gun to fix it on my fascinator headpiece. Thank you so much for joining me. If you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining. See you in my next video. Thanks.